Artifacts. Product Backlog. The product backlog is a list of all the features that the product owner would like to see in the finished product. This list constantly evolves and changes over time. The product owner maintains the backlog and works with the business stakeholders to form requirements. He also works with the team to get suggestions, technical input, and estimates. Since a product backlog contains features that apply to the lifetime of the whole product, as opposed to the release, a number of features that the product owner would like to release is referred to as a release backlog. The release burndown is a common method of monitoring progress towards the release of a product. It shows the number of story points and sprints remaining till launch. Simply put, the burndown makes it easy to see if a project is on track, since a line or chart tracks progress, and if all is on track, the line will be on or very close to its diagonal guideline. Sprint Backlog. The sprint backlog is the set of items that the development team will work on in a sprint to deliver an increment of functionality. It is a selection from the product backlog, initially picked by the product owner, but finally committed to by the development team. It consists of features, tasks, and their estimates. As with the release burndown, the sprint burndown helps the Scrum team monitor progress within a sprint. The vertical axis usually shows hours or number of tasks and is related to the number of tasks remaining in the sprint backlog. The horizontal axis shows the number of days in the sprint. A line tracks the team's progress, the number of hours of a task done each day, and ideally, this should be a constant number resulting in 0 hours of tasks left at the end of a sprint. As with the release burndown, the line tracking progress should as closely as possible mirror the guiding line. Shippable Product Increment. This is a piece of functionality delivered by the team at the end of each sprint. It should be potentially shippable and meet the team's definition of done agreed at the start of the project. Each of these artifacts either has the purpose of helping us to build a product, helping us to track the products in the terms of progress, or is the actual outcome of the team's work. We will explore them in more detail in the chapters to follow.